When your business needs to look its best, Dempsey delivers. With state-of-the-art technology that allows us to consistently deliver superior service to your doorstep day after day.
We have always been on the cutting edge. It's what we do. It's what we have always done.
Dempsey is a local independent supplier. Since 1959, Dempsey's been helping companies of all sizes grow their businesses.
We're really looking to say, what can we do to help make their lives easier?
Our products and services will make your operations more cost-effective and will instill confidence in your customers by ensuring that your staff and your environment are perfectly cleaned, pressed, and professional. When your business needs to look its best, Dempsey delivers. Please take a few moments to view our video presentations. They address specific challenges to your industry and demonstrate how Dempsey can help your business too.